Hey guys, welcome to another episode of my channel today. Well, in today's video, we'll be discussing about Bobrisky. Well, he's going to be giving a tutorial video on how he cooks. Do you think Bobrisky is a good cook? Well, I think most ladies out there, Bobrisky cooks more than them, or is a better cook than them. Well, after this video, make sure to rate Bobrisky in his cooking charade. I don't know what to call it. Well, before I go further, if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on the red subscribe button down there and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Then turn on the bell notification after subscribing so you get new videos whenever I post our videos. Well, don't forget to like this video and let us know if you're a better cook than Bobrisky in the comment section below. Make sure to comment, please. Alright, let's start the cooking tutorials. Roll the clips.
Guys, today I'm going to be cooking. I'm going to be cooking different, amazing, nice and delicious meal. My fish is already seasoned with Maggi, salt, pepper, oh guys, so now I'm trying to sort for pepper. Oh, okay. So these are the ones we're using. Let me have tomatoes. There's this thing there now. Tatache. There, on that place. I'm seeing one there. See. Yes. And let me have onions. Bring onions, come out. You see how this tatache is this pepper is very fresh because it's inside the fridge. Everything is. Okay. Let me put more attaché. So guys. This is my turkey, guys. Oh, my leg is there. I need to go and show my leg. So guys, this is my fried rice. Can you see? It's so rich. Like we have prawns, we have liver. Oh my god, this fried rice is so rich. Like, you guys will love it. Can I have extra spoon, please, for this one, Juliet? Extra spoon. So I'm cooking my assorted meats. Can you see my assorted meats? And this is my my turkey stew. Can you see? It's so awesome. And this is my fish, guys. Can you see my fish stew? I'm careful so it will not I'm tired. I've been cooking. So guys, come and join me. I'm eating fried rice with chicken. Okay, so quick one, guys. The lockdown has been extended for 2 weeks more. Few days time, I'm going to be doing giveaway on my page to my true fans. My fans that love me. I know my fans, and my fans know me, so we know ourselves. So I'll just send you a DM, ask for your account number, and I'll credit you ASAP. You all know the way I used to credit you. I don't have to make noise about it. Love you guys. Come and join me. So guys, how are you guys? This is your Bobrisky. On our menu list today, on our lunch list today, I'll be making fried egg with sweet potato. That is what we're having for lunch today. So guys, wait for the final results. As you can see, my groundnut oil is on fire. So this evening, time to fry, guys. So let's off the lights. It's ready now. I like my egg a bit brownish. So let me serve. Sweet potato with fried egg. This is the finished look, guys. I eat a lot, guys, so I'm trying to serve myself properly. After dancing, guys, like, I'm so tired. Let's eat something. Come and join me. I'm making myself. Guys.
Oh my god. It's too sweet.
Don't forget to be yourself. I repeat, don't forget to be who you want to be. Forget haters. Forget what people will say about you. Whether you're bad, whether you're good, whether you're perfect, no one is perfect. People will still talk. People will still rant their mouths. So, enjoy yourself. Be happy. Live a good life. I don't care what those people say about you. Me, I roll like this because I don't give a fuck what people say about me. Whether you love me, whether you hate me, is your cup of tea. I love you. Bye. I'm here to talk to you guys about Jenny's Glow. Jenny's Glow products is one of the best products you guys can purchase out there. We have different types of Jenny's Glow products. A body cream, a face cream, a body shower gel, a face scrub, and a face cream. These products are very amazing and very effective. We have Jenny's Glow bath soap. This bath soap is amazing. Trust me, when you use it, you'll love it. We have Jenny's Glow body scrub. This scrub is also effective and it's amazing. We have the Arabian body cream. How do you want your skin? Glowing, fresh, and no stain. This cream gives you hope. Go patronize Jenny's Glow now. I love you.
If you've watched this video to the end, what do you think about the male Barbie doll? Is she a better cook? Well, let us know in the comment section down below, and don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. And by next week or within the week, we'll be dropping another video of Bobrisky's dancing skills. Well, watch out for that video. Thanks for watching this video, and do have a nice day. And